Early morning. Good morning. It's early, very early. We have to be at 6 o'clock at whale watching. I'm sorry for my face. So we have arrived at Whale Watching Club. We have a private tour. So last time in Iceland we had a big boat, but we saw whales. Now we're taking a private tour. Getting very hectic here already, and it's 6 o'clock. So yesterday, we see it on the board. Yesterday I saw 3 whales, 1,000 dolphins. So big chance we're going to see dolphins. Whales, it's 50% chance we see a whale. So I hope we will see some. They are preparing our breakfast, because it's always better to have a small breakfast, and less chance to be sick if you eat a small breakfast. Look how cool. Very quickly we saw a lot of dolphins. It was amazing to see them. So we see a lot of dolphins now. It was on the board that yesterday they saw like 1,000 dolphins, and indeed they are very close and it's beautiful. Whoppa! So now we wait and watch for whales. Every 15 minutes they can come up to get some air, and you can see water spraying. So we have to wait. Yesterday they saw 3 whales here at this spot. You have to be patient. Whale watching. Woohoo! And then he saw one. After seeing these amazing creatures, it was time to head back to the harbor and leave them alone. We have seen the whales very close by. In the beginning it was very far away, but he was not happy that other boats were rushing the whale. So he kept the distance and he said, wait. And then a few boats went away, and then he slowly went forward, and then we could see them very closely, but he was not happy that the other boats was rushing the whale. They were like hunting him to see him, and he was not happy about that. He loved the whales, and he was not happy about that. So they have a big boat. This is their big boat, but we took the private tour. Now it was time to go to our next sleeping place. We are driving from Mirissa Beach to Yala National Park. So our driver stops here and he says, do you know this tree? And says that it's a tree, nothing special. He says, look good. It's completely full with bats. There, look. You think that's all leaves? No, it's all bats. When we were in Gal, you saw all the bats were flying around in the evening around the tree. So that was maybe the same tree, but it's completely full of it. Not only that, if you look past this fence, look how beautiful there, the lake with the flowers here and the grass. Wow, well, look at all these bats. Thank you, thank you. So we get a wet, cold little towel for refreshing, and there's a product inside. It smells amazing, but it's so hot here, but this is really good, really good. So we are at Wild Lotus here in Yala, And this is the jeep that we're going to have tomorrow to do our safari, and we're going to do a room tour. Wow, beautiful, eh?
That's nice.
Yeah. Wow. This is the first time that I drink out of a coconut. And I was wondering how is it tasting, and the first thing that I'm surprised is that it's not cold, and that's normal because a coconut is not in the frigo. A coconut is not in the freezer, so it's hanging in the tree, so that's normal, it's not cold. But I cannot say what it is. It's like a milk product. So you don't like it?
No. Personally, I do not like it.
You like it, Mama? Yes? And you like it? Not so much. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Very beautiful. And now the bathroom. Wow. Big bath. Toilet. Wow. And the shower is outside. How cool. So this is our terrace. Look at the pool. Wow. Very, very beautiful place here. How is the pool?
We are swimming with frogs.
With frogs, yes, I saw it. That there were a little frog in the pool. Two? Look at this view. Oh. This is very cool.
Yeah, very good.
This is the first pool that we're in. And normally we don't do that.
Yeah, normally we don't.
Normally if we are on a holiday, we rush from one place to another. We want to see so much. But we learned a little bit. Last year I hurt my body a little bit and my mind, well, my mind was fine, but my body was not okay. It's the first trip. Florida was of the year, and when we got back I was so tired, and then you're just out of holiday, you have to start working again, and I was dead. And then the second trip we did was the Budapest rally.
Not relaxing?
More dead. More dead. So then I said, next time we need to relax more, and I kept my word. The kids are going to stay here. I always keep saying kids, but she's nearly 21, but she will always be my kid. We are going to go for a bike tour. It's really warm, but the bikes are really funny. So it's a, how do you say in English? Tandem. Is that a word? Dual bike. in Dutch it's tandem. So yeah, that will be fun. Hello. Hello. So this is the tandem. So this will be funny. Okay, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, it's completely
Special.
special.
je goed neemt. Maar die ga je dan niet doen met kleur? Maar van die ik weet niet anders. Maar dat van ik zie je
Nog een keer.
So that was not a success. My wife is going to take another one, and I'm going to bike alone with this one because that was suicide. So it's really special bikes. Okay, second attempt. That are all rice fields. That's cool. But let's focus again on your steering wheel. What is that?
Something very special.
I think we're going that way. There. I think you can call that a road, but I don't know if you can bike there. Look at all these buffaloes. This is amazing here. The boats, the water. What a cool place.
Biking in Sri Lanka. Great adventure.
What do you have in your hand?
Spare part.
Spare parts. Dinner is served. Whoa. How cool.
Yeah.
So these are your chicken nuggets, French fries, spaghetti meatballs. This was tuna fish and chicken breast. Wow. Bon appétit.